subtract it from my total balance so I can have my balance for my business. Then once this person is I didn't tell them to transfer that money to the person because it's actually a finalized business. So I told them that see, keep that money until the person have actually has responded to the dispute that was being raised, and let me have my other balance so I can continue my trade because you're keeping my money for no reason. So that's what I'm saying, that it puts you in control of your own money. People don't, banks or organizations or intermediaries will not come in to control how you spend your money or how you receive your money or how you send your money. No, it's your money, is your money. You receive, you send, you send. No one is going to freeze your wallet. No one will freeze your wallet address for receiving or for sending any amount. You can receive up to 10,000 US dollars, 10,000, what do you call it, what BTCs. You can, and nobody's going to question you. You can get 20 million naira in your account today, and believe me, no bank is going to call you or going to freeze your account and tell you that how did you get this money. So merit of Bitcoin, it puts you in control of your money. And I've faced this, what do you call it, this issue, not just on Bitcoin. Probably even way back when I was still in school. I used to do this a little bit of forex trading too. And he started asking me that how do I get this income from my money before they had to run a KYC. I went to the law court to do this to serve and stuff like that before I can have control. So Bitcoin does not gives you leverage over that. It doesn't put you in the tight corner of looking for or trying to use your money or try to send your money, or even now they even tell you that you can't send over 1 million in a day. What about if you're actually a person that does transaction worth 10 million naira on a daily basis? How do you do that? So Bitcoin gives you control over that and pushes that off and pushes that limitation off. So it puts you in control of your money. Government cannot erode your wealth by printing money backdated or backdated. Government cannot depreciate the value, your money value. Government cannot make what do you call it, inflation or so, or the economic position or the economic the standard of living of a particular period of time will not depreciate the assets that you have actually owned on the crypto space. So it takes you off inflation and government policies, and you can store your money in a piece of paper, in a flash drive or a thumb drive, or a thumb drive, or on your phone via online wallets. So your money is safe. Then you send it to anyone in the world at any time. I can send any amount to anybody in the world at any time. The transaction costs are much lower and transaction time are much faster. The transaction cost is very, very low. Unlike I want to transfer money to my friend now. Maybe I'm transferring 10,000 to my bank, GT Bank will collect 25 naira. That's the transaction fee. But on Bitcoin, if it's actually if it's same wallet, that same wallet address is 0 naira, it's a zero fee. If it's actually a different wallet, it takes nothing less. It takes sometimes less than 0.0, less than 0.05 US dollars to send, as is a transaction fee to send money or send big cryptocurrency from one person to another. Whereas your bank is charging me, even sometimes when I won't try to send 500,000, okay, sending 500,000, I think they charge 15 naira also, which is very, very high. 15 naira, whereby I can actually send it just for just $1 or even less than that. Sometimes 0.0 something is always less than that. So transaction cost is very, very low, but transaction time is faster. Before central bank will approve a money that has been sent through international SWIFT. Sometimes it takes 3 days, 4 days to send money from one brother to another, from one particular country to another. It takes sometimes 1 week. Yes, there's some transactions that take 1 week to get concluded. But here it's fast. Sometimes within 30 minutes. That's your priority checks. And if you want to even make it more faster, you can always put on priority and increase charging fees. And it's still very minimal and low. So Bitcoin has actually pushed off this fiat currencies policies and so much, pushed it off. This is the demerit. The demerit is volatile. And definitely the volatility is welcomed. Volatility is welcomed. without volatility in any market structure, in any trade, you can't, there's no opportunity to even to trade. Any market that is tradable is a market that is volatile. So if it's not volatile, then it can't be traded. So if Bitcoin has a high volatility rate, then it's fine, because then you can make money and you can lose money within that volatility. So it's going up, you're making money. It's going low, you're making money, depending on the kind of trade or kind of transaction. Not just keeping your money. Keeping your money on the spot, on a particular spot wallet, it obeys the normal lows and highs, whereby there's nothing that is affecting it. But when that money that you're talking about is supposed to be on your normal wallet that will obey the normal rise and fall, is being transferred from that normal spot wallet or normal wallet to a trading wallet, whereby you can put orders. You can order your money, your currency on that platform, that do this for me and give me this profit. Do this for me and get me back this money. Rather than just keeping it in a regular wallet that will obey rise and fall. Whereby if the money falls, your money will fall. If the money rise. But you can actually transfer this money now that is being owed from your normal regular wallet to a trading platform that will give you leverage that will give you opportunities to trade as market is going up or as market is going low. We will get to that aspect. Lack of regulation. So there's no regulation aspect. That's why they say Bitcoin is not legal and Bitcoin is not legal and it's not illegal. So there's no regulation backing it because it's decentralized. Nobody has it. Nobody is controlling it. No government agency is controlling. So there's no regulation. But it does not change the fact that it is transparent and it's trustworthy and it is irrevocable and irreversible. It doesn't change that. It doesn't change that. That it doesn't change that at all. So Bitcoin is volatile, no regulation because it's controlled by nobody and no country or no government. Capacity, it has capacity, unlike your normal US dollars, which which you can always print and print and print and print and print infinity zero. It can be printed, keep on printing till Jesus comes. Whereas my cryptocurrency has a capacity, and that capacity does not actually affect or spoil anything. I've explained that the capacity will always even make the demands skyrocket and make the price appreciate. So capacity is fine, but it's actually a demerit because it allows a particular level of uh, of 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 what you call a particular level of token that it can actually accept within that crypto or that blockchain ledger. And Bitcoin, other currency, other altcoins have their own capacity, but Bitcoin that is being known to me physically is just 21 million capacity. So, and currently, as I'm talking to you, in circulation, we have just 18 million. And when it gets to 21 million, then supply will end and demand will rise. And when demand is up, the price will come up. Mining, mining requires high energy. I told you about it. Someone was telling me the other day that he does Bitcoin mine. I was laughing. Do you know why I was laughing? Because I looked at this person that was telling me that he does Bitcoin mining, and it's not even what it's not what a regular bank manager. Does a bank manager even have money? It's not what the president. Hmm? Tell me you're mining Bitcoin. You're a Bitcoin miner. Do you know what it takes to mine a Bitcoin? So Bitcoin mining requires high energy consumption and high capacity nodes. If Bitcoin was a country, it will rank the sixth out of 195 in terms of energy supply or energy usage. So people that actually invest in this stuff, they buy the high level nodes, which are worth thousands of dollars, can worth over $100,000, $200,000 for just a particular node that has been designed or has been designated to mine coins. And now powering that um, powering that computer node is not just a regular Lisa or diesel generator or NEPA. It's gonna be powered that you use high, extensive, and unconditional and always 24 hours supply energy, which is solar systems. But you have countries that will have more winds, that winds the winds pressure is high. You can use windmills to power those what do you call it, those nodes. So imagine what I'm talking about. Like I looked at this person that told me he's a fan Bitcoin. Even myself, I look at the person and watch the person and everything, and he's telling me a Bitcoin man. I thought, yeah, you might actually provide liquidity in a mining pool. Like you provide liquidity in a mining pool, but you cannot mine Bitcoin. How much do you have? So I was laughing at the guy, and because to even say you want to get a mining farm, then you power it with high extensive solar energies. Solar energy that I'm talking about that is uninterrupted 24/7, and the capacity of energy is very, very high. Then you now buy these notes that I'm talking about. This note sometimes is over 30 million naira, 14 million naira. These machines, one of it. But definitely when you're buying the notes of that, you know how much you're making. Because with that note, with that computer system you bought that is 30 million naira, SaaS, that node will make you nothing less than, I'm just giving you let's say an estimate of 500 US dollars every day. If you only complete transaction of 500, if you complete 500 transactions on a daily basis. So imagine you completing, and now that's 500 I'm talking about is just an estimate of what I'm talking about, because there are some transactions that the transaction fee alone. Now, sorry about, don't get lost. Mining requires is a process whereby you verify, validate, and complete transactions. So this complete transactions, there are some fees. These transaction fees, that sending fees that your bank enjoys, the sending fees that you are owed 25 naira and so, that's what the miners take as their profit, as their take home. So what they do is they help you complete the transaction and take those charges. They own these charges. So those charges can be 1 naira, 2 naira, as the case may be, or high, or if it is very, very high also. As the case might be, it might take higher than that. You understand what? So it takes, sometimes it takes more than just so it takes more than just 1 naira. Sorry, $1. And if it's 500 transactions that your computer nodes can actually finalize or complete that day, you have made 500 times estimate of $1 in transaction. That is $500. Within 2 months or 3 months of UG completing transaction mining, you have gotten the money of your mining tool, like your mining equipment, and you're still making more profits. So if someone telling me is a miner, you tell me how much is in your account or how much you have. So I should be able to complete a mine to complete a transaction, or to get a mining farm. Security. Blockchain is actually the smart contract that also makes this Bitcoin circulation and transfer or exchange possible and secure. So the blockchain is there.